Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health.
Dear students, it's a class of English for the students of class 7. Dear students, क्या आप जानते हैं पाकिस्तान दुनिया के उन चंद ममालिक में से एक है जहां चारों मौसम पाए जाते हैं। गर्मी, सर्दी, बहार और ख़िज़ां चारों मौसम पाकिस्तान में पाए जाते हैं। पाकिस्तान में दरिया, पहाड़, समुंदर, चश्मे, मैदानी इलाके, सहरा सब कुछ ही पाया जाता है। पाकिस्तान के अंदर से और बाहर से हर साल बहुत सारे लोग पाकिस्तान के सेहत अफ़ज़ा मकामात की सैर के लिए पाकिस्तान आते हैं। आज हम एक ऐसे इलाके के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं जो अपनी खूबसूरती की वजह से ना सिर्फ पाकिस्तान बल्कि पाकिस्तान से बाहर दुनिया भर में मशहूर है। So dear students, today we are going to start our lesson number 9 at page 98, and the name of the chapter is Kaghan Valley. Dear students, this is lesson number 9 at page 98, Kaghan Valley. The students, as usual, first of all, we will drill the difficult words given in the lesson. The students, this is beautify, किसी चीज़ को खूबसूरत बनाना। Scenic, किसी मंजर के बारे में मनाजराती। Glacier, a large mass of ice, बड़ा सा बर्फ का तोदा। Elevation, elevation, you may say height. Rivulets, a small river. Tourists, travelers. Extended, nutritious. Leisure, legendary. Surrounded. This is paragraph number 1. Nature has been very kind to make and beautify the earth for human beings. Kaghan Valley is one of the most beautiful places. A large number of people go every year to see this valley. They visit the place and enjoy its scenic beauty. The valley is known after the name of a small town, Kaghan. It is the valley of Kunar River that flows in this area. The valley spreads along the Kunar River from an elevation of 2,134 meters to 4,173 meters. It is 155 kilometers long. This place is free from pollution. The valley presents an extent natural scenic beauty with its mountains, hills, lakes, rivulets, waterfalls and glaciers. The students, देखें कितनी खूबसूरत जगह है जहाँ पहाड़, छोटे छोटे दरिया, झीलें, आबशारें और बर्फ़ के तोदे भी मौजूद हैं. And now there is a question for you. What adds to the natural beauty of Kagan Valley? The students, all these things, mountains, hills, lakes, rivulets, waterfalls and glaciers, add to the natural beauty of Kagan Valley. Kagan Valley is situated in Mansehra district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan. The weather in this valley is very cool and pleasant from May to September. Winters are very cold and freezing in this valley. So the tourists do not visit the valley during winters. Their route to Kagan is through Balakot, Abbottabad and Mansehra. The road goes up and up the mountains, winding through lovely tall trees. The students, now there is a question for you. Where is Kagan Valley situated? Yes, dear students, Kagan Valley is situated in Mansehra district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan. And there is another question for you. What is the route to Kagan Valley? Yes, dear students, the route to the Kagan Valley is through Balakot, Abbottabad and Mansehra. Shogran is situated at 2 hours drive from Balakot. Shogran is a small village surrounded by forests and peaks of hills and mountains. The well-known Sri Pai mountain is also a place worth seeing. The view is breathtaking. Naran is another small village on the way to Kagan. It is 3 hours easy walk to Lake Saiful Muluk, the most wonderful sight in Kagan Valley. The students, there is a question for you. What is Sri Pai? The students, ये वो Sri Pai नहीं है जो हम लोग खाते हैं. That is the well-known Sri Pai. This is the mountain. Sri Pai is the name of a mountain. Well-known Sri Pai mountain is also a place worth seeing. It is near Kagan. The students, now this is the time to give you homework, and the homework is read passage number 1, 2, 3 and 4 at least 5 times. Learn the spellings and meanings of difficult words. And dear students, you will also write the forms of verb. These are forms of verbs. Dear students, ये अप्लाइड ग्रामर साइड पर राइट करेंगे. Forms of verb, present, past and past participle forms of verb. These are 10 forms of verb. The first word is accepted. Accept, accepted, accepted. किसी चीज़ को कबूल कर लेना. Advise, advised, advised. नसीहत करना. Apologize, किसी चीज़ पर माजरत करना. Apologize, apologize, apologized. Avoid, avoided, avoided. Avoid, avoided, avoided. Begin, began, begun, believe, believed, believed, carry, carried, carried, chew, chewed, chewed, destroy, destroyed, destroyed, explore, explored, explored. These are 10 forms of verbs. Okay, students, take care of yourselves. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.